Hello everybody, just a quick update. So front wheel is tight and calipers as well. An extra one in here because to be honest with you, those two, you think about it, what do they look like? So I put another one just to take any, you think about it. Now my soldering iron has arrived, so now I was able to finish that that indicator, and look at that. This side was the one who was giving me troubles. I managed to finish it and put it's just I love it. I love it. The other one has got it as well. Let me put some light onto it. So yeah, I like it. I really like it. So yeah, everything is going okay-ish because these two stupid mirrors, sand them down, clean them up, gave it 2 coats. On the first coat was alright, and now the second coat is wrinkling again. So that's why I'm doing the update, because I'm going home now. This one is still giving me troubles, but I will get it. I'm doing some filler primer and hopefully I'll get it sorted. Yeah, so probably tomorrow I'll try to finish this. I'll try to finish that, and then I just have to wait for the seat cover, which is a anti-slip cover like I got on my bike on Renegade, and should be alright. Meanwhile, I'll resolve the little problem because the back brake light was getting stuck, so I didn't have any springs to put in that could fix it. So I found a thick piece of metal, and hopefully now the problem is solved, because the front one is sort of okay, but I'll sort it out as well. It's not a big deal. And yeah, so if everything goes alright, by the next weekend I should be able to have it all together and even try to go for a spin on it. But remember one thing, I learned that the worst way possible: do not ride around with your projects for sale. Many years ago, I had a car was for sale. I was building up some cash, and that one would give me a nice profit, and I took it out for a night out to go and see some friends, and someone crashed into it and he went to the scrap yard. So I lost the car, I lost the money, and all the hours I put into it to get it ready. So I will take this for a spin around the block when the roads are not wet or icy, because I don't want any more wrinkles to this. I can't even think about falling off this bike and causing myself loads of troubles, never mind if I hurt myself. So yeah, it's going to be a quick run if it's not icy or wet, and then if everything is okay, I'll book its MOT, and definitely by springtime should be ready to go. So that was the quick update. I'll let you know what's going on. For the moment, stay well, keep safe. Mate, I'm enjoying my ZZ Top. I love it. Alright, you guys take care. Bye bye for now.